Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back. I'm so oily. What the f? My makeup. Are you kidding me? There's gotta be a better way. Hi, I'm PatrickStarrr, licensed esthetician, professional makeup artist, and the founder of One Size Beauty. And what you guys just saw, that's real. Shiny skin at the worst possible moment, which happens to every single one of us. Blotting papers have been the only answer to that problem for decades. Until now. Today, I'm gonna show you the first ever liquid blotting paper spray, and it is about to change your touch-up routine. Fast, long-lasting, reliable, high performance. Oil Sucker Liquid Blotting Paper Spray. Did you guys just see that commercial featuring Glamzilla, Tony Bravo, Kennedy, and Paloma? All of that fantasy, that F1 fantasy for this one product, or shall I say, two. You guys, the shoot day, it was so much fun. I vlogged everything that goes into a launch like this. I vlogged on my other channel called PatrickStarrr IRL. So if you guys can go check that out, get into it, go subscribe to that channel. It's brand new. You guys are not gonna regret it. This is why we are here today. I have been seeing so many reviews, so many people intrigued because I have never seen a product like this. So I'm here on YouTube to formally introduce it to you guys. This is the Oil Sucker Liquid Blotting Paper Spray. What? I know, it's so different. I've never seen anything like this. It's the next gen evolution of our viral Oil Sucker primer. You guys fell in love with this. Do you guys see the family resemblance? This primer, when we launched it, you guys fell in love with it. You know, I'm here for the oily girlies. As you guys know, I grew up in Orlando, Florida, and this is extremely mattifying. And I was like, how can we take this a step further? So the team and I started to ask ourselves, what about midday? What about when the shine comes back? And the honest truth is, these blotting papers have always been a problem. They're, you know, they absorb oil, yes, but one sheet is so small for a face. And also, when you are applying contact, they disturb your makeup, and it's a one-time use, and you just have to throw it away. It gets everywhere. It's a fuss. It's a must. So we decided at One Size to reinvent the category, build something that absorbs oil on contact, resets your makeup, and instead of ruining it, actually refreshes your skin all at the same time in a spray. First of all, I want to shout out the packaging. You guys see it is red. It is reminiscent of our Oil Sucker primer right here. Red cap, red nozzle. It says Oil Sucker Liquid Blotting Paper Spray. We also have it in a travel. So I want to talk about the science a little bit. So I'm gonna put on my esthetician hat on for a second. Oil production throughout the day. It is not your skin being bad. It is your skin doing its job. It's producing sebum. It's there to protect your barrier. It's just how we are as humans. But the problem is not the oil in your skin producing it. The problem is what oil does to your makeup. It breaks it down, it pulls it apart, and it makes everything look slick and slippery instead of finished. So when we formulated this product, we needed 4 things to happen at once. 1, absorb oil fast. That's the Asian ginseng extract and hydroclay. They get to work on direct contact. 2, blur the skin. Once you've absorbed the oil, you want that soft focus finish filter in real life. That's the vegan cellulose. 3, it doesn't over dry, because when you over dry your skin, guess what your skin does? It produces more oil. So we decided to add hyaluronic acid. 4, and this is the hardest part, it had to be wet to dry. It's a spray at the end of the day. So it goes on as a cool mist. 30 seconds later, it's a dry matte finish that doesn't disturb a thing underneath it. That is the technology that we put into Oil Sucker. Okay, so I want to demo this for myself. If you guys haven't seen on social media, there have been a few people talking in the streets of social media, demonstrating it. Number 1, you guys are shocked. Number 2, you guys are reading the directions. Number 3, it is just a phenomenon because people's reactions make me excited. So I'm here to officially show you, as the founder of One Size, how this goes on. So right here, I have a full face of makeup on. I actually filmed this after being on set all day, so you guys are seeing real midday shine. So it's not something that I would normally do, but this is for you guys. Step 1, shake well, and you want the formula mixed. Step 2, hold the bottle 8 to 10 inches away from your face and close your eyes. Step 3, spray in short bursts with sweeping motions and shake between each spray. Step 4, let it dry for 30 seconds. And would you look at that? No blotting paper, no powder, no rebuild of makeup, just matte, blurred, and refreshed, just like you did your makeup at the beginning of the day. I am obsessed with this. So when we started to see this concept of a liquid blotting paper come to life, I was literally gagged at the start, and I was super excited. And you guys are probably thinking, is this a setting spray? No, it's like a retouching spray to suck the oil. And if you guys are wondering, when do I use it? Let me tell you. You guys can use this midday at work, after lunch, post-commute, before you're walking into your meeting, before a photo, before a date, before content, before anything where your shiny skin would pull you out of the moment. And it comes in 2 sizes, full size for your vanity and a mini that fits literally in any bag or in your pocket, in your purse, in your gym bag, in your glove box, in your car. It's vegan, it's paraben free, sensitive skin friendly, and dermatologist tested. Oh, and my favorite, non-comedogenic. So as a founder of a brand, this is what matters to me. I don't want One Size to just make products to make products. I've had One Size now for about 6 years. For me and the team at One Size, we want to make products that solve a problem in a way that wasn't solved before. There are a lot of brands, there are a lot of products out there, but for me, I want to be different, and it shows in this. The Oil Sucker liquid blotting paper spray and the primer does just that. And I literally believe in my heart and in my soul that this is going to replace every single blotting paper in every makeup bag. That is the hopes and dreams. The Oil Sucker Liquid Blotting Paper Spray launches May 15th everywhere. You guys can find it at Sephora and onesizebeauty.com. The full size retails for $34 and the mini travel is $18. And I just want to say, I hope you guys all fall in love with this product as much as I have. Please feel free to subscribe here on this channel if you guys aren't already. Subscribe to my vlogging channel, PatrickStarrr IRL. I love you all so much. Don't forget, makeup is a one size fits all, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.